Things, they keep on changing. Though the news, it looks the same, as unrest grips our nation, exposing the pain. We look over Hough in the morning spring rain. Children were born here, this will always be home. And some of them have moved up the hill. And I look back on the years and the photos and frames, and look over Hough in the morning in spring rain. Can you hear the clock sing when the Lord calls your name? Don't live here and worry, have faith and obey. My children are grown now, though the memories remain. And I look over Hough in the morning spring rain. And the people rebuild with help from above. We have beautiful moments, abundant with love. My faith still remains in the Lord's holy name. And we look over Hough in the morning spring rain.